welcome to my channel. My name is Sam. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking all about the Lily Jade Elizabeth. This is in the gorgeous black leather with the gold hardware, and I am going to be showing you how I pack this bag up two different ways. The first way I'm going to show you is with the packing cases. Then I'm going to take everything out, put it in the diaper bag insert, and show you what that looks like packed up inside as well. I'm going to point the camera down and walk around the exterior features of this bag and then show you what it looks like packed up inside. This bag does have these tote handles, which is the way that I prefer to carry this bag, just in the crook of my arm, but it also does have D-rings, and there is a messenger strap that can be attached, so this bag can be carried crossbody or just over the shoulder. It also does have these 3 rings in the back, so you can use the crossbody strap, loop it through, and it can be carried like a backpack. The Elizabeth bag does have 6 exterior pockets. It has these 2 magnetic closure pockets in the front. They're very generously sized and they just close up nice and easy with a magnet. It has a magnetic slip pocket up front that is kind of like a hidden pocket. It has 2 exterior bottle pockets, and then on the back it has a matching magnetic kind of hidden pocket that goes full width of the bag inside, but the opening on top is only as wide as the in-between of the handle. So now I'm going to flip the bag around and just kind of walk you through what I have packed up inside. So in this front pocket, I have the ever popular boogie wipes, especially this time of year. Kids are always boogery, and these are a necessity. And in this matching pocket over here, I just have tissues, hand sanitizer, and a mask. So this is like the COVID pocket, I guess. In this magnetic closure pocket, I have the small Lily Jade packing case, and in here I just have a bunch of snacks for my kids. I have some Z-bars, some pouches, some utensils, a bib, placemat, all of the eating needs, and a few snacks for myself. So now let's get into the interior of the bag. Lily Jade is known for their super smooth zippers, and this bag is no different. It opens up nice and wide, which I love. I love how you can just see everything that you have packed up super easily, and I love utilizing the packing cases because it just keeps all of my stuff super organized. First thing that I have in here is my Lily Jade Wristlet crossbody combo. I got this for my birthday in June and have literally used it every day since. The next thing that I have packed up in here is diapers. I have 3 size 6 diapers, a small package of wipes, and a diaper bag. And then I have the large packing case, which this is a very large packing case. You can fit a ton of stuff in here. Currently I just have some play packs, the dimple toy, a little Fisher Price phone. And then I have my med kit. This is a Aloha pouch. This is a waterproof pouch, and I just have all of our med supplies in here. As you can see, there's this gorgeous leather trimmed pocket, and in here I just have a phone charger and some Smarties just in case things get crazy and I need some bribery tools on my side. And if I turn the bag around, in the front it does have 2 slip pockets, and currently I just have gum and mints in the one, and there is nothing in the other, but you could totally slip sunglasses in this one, your phone in this one would fit perfectly fine. So here's what the bag looks like empty. You can see the gorgeous jade lining. It is super silky and smooth, and it is not necessarily a wipeable interior. I wouldn't say it is stain resistant. However, I have never had a problem if something spilled in my bag, taking some Dawn dish soap, pulling the liner out, and just kind of spot treating the spot. So now I'm just going to take everything out of the packing cases and pack it all into the insert. This is a 3.0 insert. This is the insert that's coming in any new Lily Jade diaper bag that you buy off the site, and I will have everything that I talk about linked below with the Lily Jade website. I know time is key, so I am going to speed this part up. I'm just going to empty out everything that I have in the packing cases and put it all inside this insert. So as you can see, everything from the packing cases do fit into the insert. Super nice. I like how the 3.0 has the updated zipper top, so you can zip this closed. It also has D-rings on the side, so you can attach this to a stroller if you didn't want to carry your whole diaper bag. And I am going to put everything back into the exterior pockets that I had, and then I'll put this inside and show you what it looks like. All the stuff in the exterior pockets is exactly the same as it was with the packing cases, and I personally just don't love the way that the insert packs inside the Elizabeth. I don't know if it's just because it's so short. It's all personal preference. Some people love it. I'm just more of a pouch packer, especially when it comes to this particular style bag, but it does fit. It does zip still nice and closed, but it does feel a lot more bulky. Definitely prefer pouch packing with this particular style Lily Jade. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video gave you a good idea of just how the Lily Jade Elizabeth can be packed up in two totally different ways. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Go find me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.